And today I'm going to be showing you guys a new way to actually do your barbecue. I bought this TempSkpikePro by Thermopro, truly wireless Wi-Fi meat thermometer. And I'm going to be doing some ribs and some chicken today. But here it is. Comes with a little manual. Let's see. Comes with the USB for charging. I got my base. And I got my two probes. And then the base unit. Now this thing is super easy. It takes the guesswork out of every cook's thought. Now this thing's so easy to put together. I already charged it. I don't want to let you guys know, if you do get this thing, charge it overnight before you start to cooking. Don't think you're gonna charge it and then cook right away. The probes take overnight. That's one of the things I found out. But it's pretty easy to put together. These probes actually have a connection here and here. They just slip right in and you'll hear it click. The other one, the red light comes on. That means it's charging. These are fully charged. That's just the way it does it. Put these in there. The lights cut on. Stick the base in there. It lights up. You see that light went out already because it's already charged. But anyway, I really like this particular brand and these probes because it comes with an app. And here's the app here. I don't know if you can see it. But those are my two probes. It's really easy to connect. Just follow the instructions in the user guide here. The probes are already paired to the unit itself. I really like this because this has a lot of features on it. Like this is the white probe. And everything's on there. You got a choice to change your meats from fish, pork, chicken, everything. And I'm gonna hit on the pork one right now. And when you press on the pork one, you have a lot of things you can do. You can set your temps the way you want them, but it's super simple. You know, it actually gives you directions on how you place the probe into the meat. But yeah, and it already shows the ambient on the bottom. I like this because, you know, my smoker outside, you know, it's a good smoker. But as everybody knows that those, the temps on your smoker, you know, they get you close, but it really, you know, and you'll watch my video. I'm actually doing a video right after this, and you'll see where my smoker temp shows way different than what the probes allow or actually show. And if you watch my video, you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyway, great product. Now this thing can expand out to two more sections, two more probes. I think that the extra ones, if you get the 4-pack, it comes with red, yellow, black, and white. I went ahead with just the two probes just to check this out. Works really well. I've used it numerous times. This is the first time I'm just doing a video on it before I actually cook today. But yeah. Invest in this. This takes the guesswork out of. And you do a steak. I mean, you can put it in your steak. Go ahead and put it in the frying pan or the skillet, however you want to do, and If you like medium rare, you can get perfect medium rare. But yeah, enough about this. There will be a link in the description below to where if you go ahead and hit that link, you can get up off the purchase of one of these. And that link will be down in the description box in this video. Okay, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be seasoning up some chicken thighs. Two simple ingredients. I'm gonna use mustard as my binder, and I'm using some Kinder's. It's the barbecue blend. I'm gonna get these all ready, and then we're gonna go ahead and get these in a Ziploc. Well, I'll show you all that. I'm gonna get these in a Ziploc and sit them in the fridge overnight. Hit them on the smoker tomorrow. But yeah, let's go ahead and get our little mustard. I do have two small pieces, which I'm gonna put those on there too, but definitely those will be coming off first. Those will be my test bites. I'm gonna get these all mixed up in here. You don't need a lot, so what I'm putting on here is going to be plenty enough. Didn't have to do too much trimming on the thighs. They actually came pretty well cut, all the extra skin and fat off, so didn't have to do a lot of work. Glad for that. Get these all done. Now when I smoke these, I'm going to be smoking them skin down. Actually, I have a little technique I might try. I've seen it done once before. I might try that. But we'll let you know how that goes, what I decide to do tomorrow. Let's get our Kinder's rub put on here. Now I used Kinder's barbecue blend before, and this comes out really good. But I'm going to be doing something special with these. About 3/4. Well, maybe 3/4 through, somewhere around there. These are going to be honey glazed, so stick around for that. I got a new little toy that I'll introduce you guys to a little later in the video. Got a new little toy, so if you ever wonder how to get that perfectly juicy, skin-biting barbecue chicken or smoked chicken, you can do whole chicken or whatever, but I'll show you my little toy I got. It's a game changer. Alright, I'm gonna let these sit, tack up. I'm gonna be throwing these into a Ziploc, not sealed, but under the skin. Like I said, I like using mustard because you can easily tell if you miss the spot. Alright, once they tack up, I'm going to put them in a Ziploc, put them in the fridge, and I'll get back with you guys tomorrow morning. Alright. Okay, meat's on. You see I got a white probe and the ribs, and I got a black probe on the chicken because I want to monitor the internal temp of each of them and the ambient
temperature. But got my firebox over there, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. And that leads me to another thing. And I'll show you guys what type of wireless probes I have. Alright. Okay, this is what this smoker's saying the temp's at. And it's really high. It's saying like it's almost 400. Well, 375. But I got my Thermopro. And this is monitoring. It shows the ambient temperature, which is the air surrounding the meat. 285, internal 130. That's on the white. The black probe is 112, 285. The white one's 112 internal, and the black one's 130. Of course, that's closer to the firebox. Let me cut this light back on so you guys can see. But this is the Thermopro. That's why I like it. It gives them more accurate than the temperatures on the smoker. Okay, we're about 30 minutes in. Let's see what it's looking like. In 30 minutes, I'm gonna spritz it with some. It's looking good though. I'll spritz it with some apple juice. 1 part apple juice, 1 part apple cider vinegar, and 1 part water. Got that all combined. That's what I'm gonna spritz it with. Okay, we're about an hour in. This is what we're looking at. Delicious. Probes are accurate. I checked it with a different thermometer. So yeah, looking good. Okay, thighs are off. I just got them in aluminum foil. On these I spritzed every 40 minutes with the vinegar, apple cider, water mixture. But it came out really good. Checked all the internal temps. Really good.